Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I'm going to be planning for the week of September 28th through October 4th. So I've just been enjoying my planner a lot more and taking like my pictures and everything on my Instagram more seriously and trying to be more consistent. So if you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, and shout out to all of my returning subscribers and everything. Please consider subscribing before you leave if you haven't already. I am going to be using the Gold Mine and Cocoa planner sticker dolls to start off this spread, just like I did in my last week's spread, and I've done this before in other videos as well. So I am an ambassador for Gold Mine and Cocoa, and you've probably seen other planner babes who are as well. So I'm going to be doing some planner content with their stuff probably starting in October, so I'm super excited about that. But I picked these up myself from her, I think it was called the Homebody collection. So I'm going to use Serene and Gratitude in here. They're super cute. They're in like lounge wear. This is kind of how I dress every day because I work from home. So I want to incorporate these, but I do want a very fall spread as well. So I have already pulled a lot of stickers from different sticker books. I have used obviously both of the fall sticker books, the one from 2019 and the one from 2020 here. And I use Wild Style a little bit. I don't know if it works that well with this, but we'll see if I use anything from this. But I did pull a few things, but I don't know if I'm actually going to use it in my spread. So I use Wild Styled. I have some words from the Handwritten Plans sticker book. And I have a few things from the Savvy Saver because we're, on the verge of a new month and you gotta pay some bills. So first I want to place my girls. If you purchase anything from the Gold Mine and Cocoa website, at regular price, if you use my code Brittany10, you will save 10% at checkout. So be sure to do that if you want to save some coins. Let me see if I want to put her down here like that. Okay, so that just kind of starts off the spread. So I know I want to cover up, do all the things down here. And I think I want to put this leaf right here that has some copper foil in it. And I want to put that down first, kind of at an angle. And then I want to use the this to-do list sticker here. That's from the newest fall sticker book. And if you don't know, I use this area down here just to track the uploads I have to do and just like stuff to remember. Okay, so on Saturday, I believe I have to pick up like a fall cookie kit so I can decorate some fall cookies. I went to a Christmas cookie decorating class last year, and since the pandemic has happened, she's doing some classes, but I just wanted to be safe and just do the kit. So I'm gonna put this down. So let me see, fall treats. I don't think any of these colors work. Let me look into my Plan Your Looks Life sticker book from Gold Mine and Cocoa and see what I can find. Okay, so on Monday, I'm going to use this Today's Top 3. just to spruce it up, I think I'm going to use this candle sticker here. I don't know where I'm going to use it. Put this car payment sticker down. And I'm going to put a little square to check off. And rent and mortgage. I like this sticker. I've got too many candles. Said no one ever. So that is me. I have tons of candles and I just ordered some more like fall kind of scented candles. So that's perfect. Hope that is not crooked. Is that straight? I'm gonna put this relax sticker. That's kind of, let's put some weight on this side. I had to put that list sticker like towards the right side. And let's see here. Alright guys, so here is my finished spread for the week of September 28th through October 4th. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and be sure to subscribe before you leave and turn on your notifications. And I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to follow me on Hearts and a Plan, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.